Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you the new tool we just created. This tool will help you to manage your design system themes. So to access this tool, you just go to Design Tokens Toolbox and you can request for early access. Okay, so we have until now two tools plus one Figma plugin. The Design Tokens Generator, this will be in separate video, but today we will focus on the Theme Manager. This video comes with one Figma file and one project files, HTML and CSS, so you can try. Now let me show you actually the theme manager. Okay, so the theme manager comes like this. You can see on the left side here we have input section. This place you can just upload your design tokens or your variables as a JSON code, plus also you can upload the theme structure. Okay, and on the right side here, you can see the platform section. Until now, we have only two platforms, the system supporting CSS and SAS, but very soon we will have more platforms like iOS, Android, Flutter, and so on. Okay, and here after you set up everything, you can just generate your platform code. Okay, so the system comes with one example. You can go here, just hit load example. You can see here the system adding for you JSON file, whatever is coming from Figma, Input, or Design Tokens plugin. Okay, and the system also add here some themes, okay, like color theme light and dark, and also breakpoint themes desktop and mobile. Okay, each theme here, if you click, you can edit the theme name, and you can select which token set actually creating this theme. Okay, like this, and you can add one more theme from here, plus also if you set up your themes, so you can download the themes from here, so later you don't need to create the themes again and again. Okay, so let me show you one example. Okay, let's say I need to export my themes to different platforms, CSS and SAS. But CSS, I need it to be camel case, and I need my CSS files to be, for example, variables dash after that the theme name. And let's do different setup for SAS. Let's say it will be kebab case, and it will be only the theme name without anything else. So now once you hit generate, the system will give you download variables here. If you click download, let's open this folder and see what's inside. You can see two different platforms folder, CSS and SAS, based on our selection. And if you go to, for example, the CSS, you can see the files names are like what we decided. Variables dash, after that the theme name. For example, the theme name actually coming from here. Okay, and if we open any file from this, you can see actually it's come with camel case based on our selection. Okay, if you go here and check the SAS folder, you can see the files actually only the theme name without variables dash at the beginning. And if you opened anyone, you can see it's come with kebab case. Okay, so this is just an example. Let me show you actually the first way how can you use this one. So on Figma here, we have Figma file. You can find the link to download it in the video description, so you can test by yourself. This project have two themes, light mode and dark mode. Okay, and our theme structure here like this. We have three main collections: primitive, semantic, and component specific tokens. And component specific tokens have actually two modes, light mode and dark mode. So in this project, the light theme contains light mode plus semantic plus primitives, and dark mode like this. Okay, so let me also open for you this project. You can see the project is here. Okay, this is a light mode and this is the dark mode, exactly same the Figma design here. Okay, before we export anything, let's try to do some changes. Okay, so if I come here, let's say the container background color, I will change it, for example, to default. So this color has been changed. Also for dark mode, let's change it for default to be like this. Okay, now let me show you the first way. The first way, you just go to variables to JSON plugin. Once you click convert variables, you can see here we have two different things. I will show you first what if you export all your variables to be a one single JSON file. And this process also same if you are using Token Studio plugin, the free version, you can export all your variables to be one single file. Okay, so let's download this file and let's add it inside our project. So for example, let's go here. This is our project. Let's add it here. Okay, let's replace. So now if you go to the theme manager, you just go here and upload the file, or you can upload it from here, same button. Okay, so in this case, I will navigate also to the same project files, and I will upload my variables.json. You can see the JSON has been added here. with no issue. And now we don't have a theme file to upload. I will show you later actually how this file can help you and save your time in the future. But now let's create our themes. Here, let's add the first theme. Let's say this is the light theme, contains primitive, semantic, and light mode. Just hit create. Once you create it, you can see we have one theme has been created, and also this is the theme, contains 3 tokens sets. Okay, you can click here to edit. After edit, you just update. And now let's create the different theme. The dark theme contains primitives, semantic, and dark mode. We hit create. Okay, like this. So now, if you close the website or if you close your browser and you come again here, you did some changes on Figma and you uploaded this file, you need to recreate the themes again. So that's why I added for you here this download themes to save your time. So this looks like you are downloading your theme structure to can use it in the future. So let's download this one and keep it now. I will show you later how can we use it. Okay, so now if we open this project, okay, the same project, this one. If we open it on Visual Studio, you can see what kind of files the developers need. You can see here the developers need CSS files and the developer need camel case. And the file names actually variable dash plus the theme name. So we will follow the same structure. So if we back again here to our theme manager, we don't need SAS. We need the CSS only to be camel case, and we need to remove this underscore to be variables dash the theme name. So it will be variables dash light, variables dash dark. So once we hit generate, we can download our project. Let's go here, open this folder. You can see variables dash light, variables dash dark. We can copy these files and we can go to our project. Okay, let's see where is our project files. This is the project files. We can just paste to replace. And because we did some changes here for this color and this color, now if we back to the browser and we go here and we refresh, you can see this color has been changed, plus also here. Okay, so this is the first way. Okay, what about the second way? Okay, maybe if I back again here to Figma and let's do some changes back. Let's change this one to primary and this one also, and I will open our Figma variables to JSON plugin, download the single file, and in this time we don't need to create our themes again. So let's back again here to our theme manager. Let's say you open it from scratch again. So you just need to upload your new variables from here or from here. Okay, so this is a JSON file, included our new changes. And here you don't need to create the themes again. We have our project already, theme structure. I think we downloaded here inside the download folder. So this one, once you add it, you can see here, this is our theme, the light mode, everything is okay, no issues, and all our choices actually already there. So you just need here to say, okay, this is my structures based on the developer preferences, and I need to generate, download this one, and you just go here, copy these files and go to our project, replace it. Then you can go to our browser and refresh. The colors has been changed, same as Figma. Okay, so this is the first way how we can use our theme manager. Okay, I will show you a different smart way that can save your time. Let's go to Figma. Okay, this is our project, and if you are using the variables to JSON, you can see here we have a different feature called multiple files. This multiple files actually you can create your themes, same as everything I showed you here, exactly 100% same. Okay, so you can add a new theme, you can edit the theme also from here, everything like this. Okay, so whatever you are using Figma variables or Tokens Toolbox plugin, you still can use the variables to JSON plugin just to manage your themes, create your themes. And after that, let's do some changes here back before we do this. If I go here, let's change this one back to the default here like this. And now if we open our variables to JSON plugin and go to multiple files, you can see our themes here. Whatever you close the Figma or close the plugin or close the file, if you open it again, you will see everything for your themes already there. This theme structure based on the user and based on actually specific Figma file. So you can use a plugin for different Figma files. Each file have their own structure of themes. Okay, so now I need to download everything. So maybe we download it and replace it inside our project. Okay, and now if you back to the theme manager, let's refresh to open it. You just can go here and upload our project, this one. Okay, so you can see here telling you we have 4 token set. That's mean primitive, semantic, light mode and dark mode, and 2 themes, the light theme and dark theme. Okay, so you can see here your updated JSON code is here and the themes also is here. Okay, you just can choose your preferences for the code and you just hit generate. After that you just download this one. Once you open it, you will find your files. Just copy it and go replace it here. Once you go to the browser, you will find the colors has been changed. Let's refresh, everything is changed. Okay, perfect. Let me show you one big example. Okay, this project we have multi themes. Okay, you can see we have brand themes, have 3 different brands, and each brand actually come with 2 color themes, light and dark. Okay, and we have also language theme, Arabic and English, and we have typography theme to be serif and sans serif. You can see the font family change, whatever it's Arabic or English. We have also density theme, comfortable and compact. We have also 3 corner radius themes, square, round, pills. And we have 4 shadow themes, flat, subtle, default, and raised. So in this project, actually, you can navigate between, okay, I need this brand theme with this color mode, with this language theme, with this, for example, typography theme, and this density theme, rounded, for example, and this shadow or shadow like this. Okay, so this project is very huge, and let me show you actually how our plugin can save you time for this. Okay, so let's go here. This is a project. If you open the plugin, you will see the 20 different themes. You just can go here and download the project. I will save it in a specific folder, this one. Okay, let's replace it here. Okay, and now let's go to our theme manager. Let's refresh and let's upload our project. Okay, this is the file. Once you upload it, you can see we have 29 tokens sets and we have 20 themes. Once you hit OK, you can see all your 20 themes here. If you open any one, you can see all your selections. Okay, so now to check with the developer which platform you need, what kind of type of code you need, for example, camel case, maybe also variables dash. Okay, once we hit generate, okay, and take a few seconds, successful. Let's download the file. Okay, and let's open this one. This is the 20 themes. Let's copy it. And before we go and replace it, I want to show you here what will happen if we deleted all the current CSS files. If we refresh, you can see everything break. But if you back again and we paste our new files, once you refresh, you can see everything is working perfectly. Okay, like this. The color theme, the brand theme, language theme, typography theme, working. Okay, density themes, radius themes, and also the shadow themes. So I hope this theme manager tool can help you a lot. Whatever you are using Pimpot, you are using Tokens plugin, you are using Figma variables, this tool can help you to create your theme and manage it, and also export this project files based on which platform you need. In the future, we will have more platforms. Okay, so I hope you like this video and it's easy for you. You can find the project files as HTML and CSS in the video description. You can find also the Figma file. You can test by yourself. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and maybe also you can join our Telegram community. We have 4,000 plus designers focusing on learning design system and design tokens. That's it for today. See you again. Bye.